welcome to my channel today, and I will be discussing the rotate and expand, scale those options in today's session. So for example, there's a few ways that you can change the size of your object, but I will have a different session to discuss the shortcut keys, because there's quite a lot of shortcut keys. I would rather go through that in a separate session. For this specific one, I will show the other ways that you can rotate and scale your objects. So if I wanted to rotate this object, I can rotate 1 degree clockwise or 5 degree clockwise, counterclockwise, or you can also specify the rotation angle. So if you wanted to rotate at a certain specific angle, you can then specify the rotation angle, and you can also scale up and down by 1%, 5%. You can also, select it with specific ratio. So let's say we want to rotate this one 5 degree clockwise. You will see that it changes it, but you then have to do it again. So if you want to do many, without having to right click every time, the best is to use the shortcut keys. That's what I will discuss in a separate session. You can also scale it, so you can make it shorter or bigger. It just depends on how you want to scale it. So to scale, you can make it bigger here or smaller. So let's say we scale it up by 5%, it will make it bigger. You can also now enter, and you can also change the length. So by adjusting the length, it will automatically then also increase the width. So if we adjust it to, let's say, 45, it adjusts those lengths, but not the object itself. So because it's now also grouped, it changes the length of those lines and not the entire object itself. So there's still, I guess, a bit of improvement that can be made on selecting the entire object and increasing it to exactly how you want it. If you want it to be a certain size, maybe it is a bit of a trial and error at this point. If you want it to be a specific size, from a smaller size to a larger size, it's not so easy to do it just by clicking on something, but you can do it obviously within a rectangle. You can adjust. If you want it to be a specific size, you can do it from the start, and make sure that it's the width and the height is exactly the right size. So yeah.